The Bernina B335 sewing machine, and I'm just going to take you through how to thread it up. So we have our spool of thread and we remove the piece that was just on here before, put our thread on and place that cover back on so it holds the thread in place. Now we've got a tension holder back here, so we take the thread underneath that and we're following these arrows on the machine. So we're coming down on the right hand side first, piece here. You can see the arrow is at the top, following this arrow up here. And there's a little hook that has a hole in it that you place the thread through. And then coming down, there's this thread guide here. So we want to take the thread and push it behind that. And then there's a thread guide support above, right above the needle. And you push the thread through from the left-hand side. It's a good idea sometimes just to snip the thread so that it is nice and sharp before you attempt to thread the needle. And it's a wise idea probably to turn the machine on so that you can actually have some light to see. Just threading the thread from the front to the back. Now, when you're doing the bobbin case, it's a good idea to remove the stitch plate, open up the door in front of the bobbin case door, and you remove the bobbin case by lifting this little latch with your finger and pulling it out like this. Then you flip the bobbin case over and get your bobbin. And just making sure that your bobbin has the thread going to the right hand side. Then you place your bobbin in and just check that the bobbin is going clockwise if you pull the thread. Then you can see here that there's a little groove that you take your thread into, and then you pull it behind the tension plate until you hear it click into that section. Now you turn it back over, and you always place the bobbin case with the handle facing upwards. In the machine, you'll see there's a little hole at the top where that belongs. So you place that in, and you can hear it click, and then you know that it's in. Now when you try and get the bobbin thread up, I'm going to just trim that off, but the bobbin thread to the top. Sometimes these machines can actually automatically take it up for you, but I always just like to be safe. I use the hand wheel on the top of the machine up here and just turn the hand wheel towards yourself and pull the top thread, and you can pull the bobbin thread through and close the door.